Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to update the VXE R1 firmware update where there's a sleep mode issue, and we're going to show you how to update without a mouse. The thing you can do is to connect a secondary mouse and then navigate through the tutorial. But if you do not have a secondary mouse, you can navigate using your keyboard. What you have to do is to use the tab key, the arrows, enter and backspace. Open the browser. Once you open the browser, then type in this VXE software. Then after you do that, you need to click on ATK gear, this link over here. Open this link. Then under here, you need to choose firmware. Once you're in firmware, then here you need to look for R1. Then here you have to click on more. When you get to here, scroll up, then you have to download the latest firmware. After you download the latest firmware, when it's in your computer, then you have to go back to this page. Then you have to click on ATK Hub, this link over here. Once you're over here, make sure you connect your mouse. When you connect your mouse, if you have a secondary mouse, make sure you disconnect the mouse. And then when you do that, you have to go where it says manually update firmware and then install it. Once you do that, restart your computer and try to see if it works. And you're done.